Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be a Bath & Body Works shopping haul. Now, this purchase was made on Black Friday. I got a bunch of stuff, probably spent a little too much money, but you know what? That's what this season is all about, is spending money you don't have. Obviously, I'm totally joking, but yes, because I got a bunch of stuff from Bath & Body Works, I wanted to jump on here and film a quick shopping haul for you guys. And if you are wondering where this shirt is from and this little kimono is from, they are both from Ramwi. I did film a shopping haul of all of the clothing items that I got from Ramwi. I'm not exactly sure what my video schedule is going to be looking like, but if that video is up before this video, or even afterwards, depending when you're watching this, I will link that down in the description box so you can go ahead and check that out. But I got this huge box in the mail, all filled with stuff from Bath & Body Works, obviously. So let's just go ahead and get started with this video. If you would like to see everything that I got from Bath & Body Works, then just keep on watching. All right, so in this order, I got 4 candles, and I got 5 things of like body care, like body lotions, body washes, and stuff like that. And then I also got some little hand sanitizer holders. So I think we're just gonna go ahead and get started with the candles. Now for my, one of my vlogs, my most recent vlog, again, I'm not exactly sure on my uploading schedule. I don't know if that vlog is going to be up before this video, but anyways, in my vlog I did do a little first impressions on the candles, because 3 of the candles I have never bought before and I've never smelled them before. I just decided to just buy them when I was making my orders on Bath & Body Works, just to try something a little different. So on my vlog, I did do a little first impressions, opening, doing a little unboxing, smelling these candles, and kind of giving my opinion on them. So yeah, I guess if you're more interested in like the unboxing first impression sort of thing, then I will link that vlog in the description box down below. But overall, I love all of the candles that I got. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you each of the candles that I got. So the first candle that I got is definitely a repurchase. It is my favorite candle to get around the holidays, and it is this candle right here. This is Twisted Peppermint. And this is just kind of what the packaging looks like. Super cute. I love the little candies on there and just like the little like sparklies and the colors and everything like that. I love this candle. It is literally a candy cane in a jar in a candle. It smells delicious. If you're not aware of what Twisted Peppermint smells like, the fragrance notes in it are cool peppermint, sugared snow, vanilla, buttercream, fresh balsam, and hint of musk. So that's the first candle that I got. Now we're gonna move on to candles that I have never purchased before. The first one I have here is Yule Tide. And again, I love the packaging on this candle. It's just so cute, so cozy, perfect for the holidays. And the fragrance notes in Yule Tide are made with rosemary and pine essential oils with notes of eucalyptus and cedar. And the only candle that I have bought before that is pretty similar to Yule Tide, at least in my opinion, is Fresh Balsam. Like, it just smells very heavy of like pine trees. So yeah, if you don't really like that pine scent, this probably wouldn't be the candle for you, but it doesn't really bother me that much. And I love the packaging, so it's gonna look cute like setting out. So this is the second candle that I got. The next candle that I got is called Champagne Toast. And here's just what the packaging looks like. Again, love the packaging on this candle as well. Definitely this candle and the Yule Tide I literally just bought because of the packaging. Like, I just thought both of them were just so adorable. And this one was the one I was the most, you know, kind of nervous about, because the fragrance notes say made with citrus and orange essential oils with notes of bubbly champagne and sparkling berries. And the part that made me nervous was the citrus and orange essential oils, and I'm just not a fan of like orangey smells. But thankfully, this candle I don't really smell like oranges in this candle. I definitely smell the berries and kind of that like sparkling champagne. Like, that's what I think of when I smell this candle, is like sparkling berries. It doesn't really remind me of the holidays all that much, but it's still a very nice smelling candle. And again, with the packaging being so adorable, it's gonna look so cute sitting out. So last but not least, the fourth and final candle that I got is this one right here, and this is Toasted Vanilla Chai, and that's just what the packaging looks like right there. Not a huge fan of the packaging. I mean, there's a dog on there, which is super cute, and he's wearing a hat. Like, how cute is that? But I mean, it's not like cute and girly, kind of how I like the packaging to look, but I decided to get this just because like the name just sounded like something that I would like. So the fragrance notes in this candle are made with ginger and nutmeg essential oils with the notes of cinnamon and clove. And I can definitely smell that like cinnamony smell. And again, I don't really think this is like a holiday Christmas candle. Because of that like cinnamon smell, it really reminds me of like fall. So I might just like leave this candle untouched or unburned, unused until the fall time, because I think this would be the perfect smell for the fall. So those are the 4 candles that I got. I love each and every one of them. All right, now we're gonna move on to body care. Like I said, I got 5 different things from body care, and that is including like shower gels or body wash and then some lotion. So 4 out of the 5 of the body care items come in sets. So I guess I could say like there's a set of 2 and then another set of 2. And then I also got like a body scrub that's just kind of by itself. So I guess we could start with the holiday set first. Of course, like I just got done talking about the candle, I definitely love the smell of Twisted Peppermint, so I had to get the set of Twisted Peppermint body care. So I got the shower gel and then also the body lotion, and that's just kind of what the packaging looks like on both of those. I have never used Twisted Peppermint in body care. I've only ever had Twisted Peppermint in a candle, so I'm so excited to try these out. The next set of body care that I got is not holiday related, but I really wanted to get it because I learned that I really love the smell of it, and that is Japanese Cherry Blossom. Again, I got the shower gel and then the body lotion. Now, I was trying to remember when like I bought or I got the Japanese Cherry Blossom body lotion. I swear I got it from my sister, like she gave it to me, because I don't remember buying it, but at the same time, my sister loves the scent of Japanese Cherry Blossom, so like why would she give it to me? I don't really know. I don't really remember. I have a horrible memory. I'm honestly surprised I even know my own name. But either way, I ended up with the Japanese Cherry Blossom body lotion. I just loved the smell of it. Like it just smelled so good. And like I said, with the Bath & Body Works, their body lotions, like the scent stays on your skin for such a long time, and like it just, like my whole room just smelled like Japanese Cherry Blossom, and it smelled so good. And like, yeah, right after I tried the body lotion, I was like, definitely next time I make a purchase on Bath & Body Works, I have to get Japanese Cherry Blossom. So that's what I did. So yeah, and last but not least, the last thing that I got in body care, I love body scrubs. I think especially because I'm someone that has very dry skin, so in the winter I tend to get like flaky. That sounds disgusting, but so yeah, sometimes it's just nice to have a body scrub to kind of get all of that like flaky skin off, get all the, like the dead skin off, and then put some like lotion on, and it just makes your body just feel nice and soft and not flaky and disgusting looking. And I wasn't really sure which body scrub I wanted to go with, so I just kind of chose one randomly. I got this one right here. This is a holiday scent. This is like Bath & Body Works like top scent for the holidays. I'm honestly not a big fan of it. I mean, it smells good, it's vanilla, but I'm not in on the hype. The only reason I bought this is just because I was having a really hard time finding a body scrub, and I just saw it and I was like, what the heck, I'm just gonna get it. So yes, this is the Vanilla Bean Noel. Again, the packaging is really cute. And this is a Funfetti body scrub, which I think is really cute. And I just noticed that it's Christmas colors. If you can kind of see the little like scrubby beads in there, they are red and green. Perfect for the holidays. So yeah, and I've only ever smelled the candle in this, so I'm very curious to try this out and see if maybe I'll like it better in a body care instead of a candle. So that's everything that I got in body care. And last but not least, I got little hand sanitizer holders. Now I love the hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works. I buy them all the time, and I only have one holder, and it's a little reindeer. My friend Shannon gave him to me because she just didn't have any use for him, and he's really cute. His nose lights up, like he's adorable. Obviously it's a reindeer and it's Rudolph, and like I can't really like have that on my bag year round, like especially in the summer. I mean, I definitely did do that, don't get me wrong, but I really just, ever since I got that, and I've like noticed how much I like having a little holder for my hand sanitizers, it just kind of like saves room in my purse, having it just like clip on my bag and not have like the hand sanitizer in my bag. So yeah, I kind of just made the decision I really want to get some more hand sanitizer holders, and I ended up getting a duo. It was around like $10, and I'm not really into the whole like unicorn craze, but for me, out of all of the like duo hand sanitizer holders that they had, this was the one that I thought was the cutest. And it is this one right here. As you can see, it's just a full body unicorn, and he's all sparkly, and his little horn is like a gold sparkly color, and then the hair is like a pinkish purpley color, and then he has like a rainbow tail. Now I did get in touch with Bath & Body Works, and they are sending me a replacement just because I bought this as a duo, or it's supposed to be a set of 2. It's actually the Be My BFF unicorn pocket back holders, and it even says on the tag, set of 2 pocket back holders, as you can see, but this is all that I got in my packaging. Like even the clips on there for the second one, and even like the little ring is on there that like the unicorn is supposed to be attached to, but it only came with 1 unicorn. So I ended up emailing Bath & Body Works customer service, and I sent them a picture of like what I got, and they emailed me back and they said, okay, we're shipping you another one. So I don't have it yet, but they did ship me another one, which I'm very thankful for, because he's very cute, but I wouldn't have just bought him for like $10, $11. And I'm pretty sure the other one is obviously a unicorn, but I think like the hair on it is like a different color and stuff like that. So yeah, that is everything that I got from Bath & Body Works. Alright everybody, that is it for this Bath & Body Works shopping haul. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And once again, if you have not seen my most recent vlog and my Romree shopping haul and try on, I will link both of those videos down in the description box, so please make sure to go ahead and check those out if you haven't already. And yeah, I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.